Hi, I was walking the dog this morning and I came across something really sad. This happens a lot, but a lot of people don't know we now have bat friendly barbed wire because that's what I've come across. I've come across a little bat caught on barbed wire. I put that bit of cloth there to try and help it. So, according to the bat rescue places, the best thing to do if you can do it without touching the bat is to put a towel over them. So the gorgeous little bat that turned out to be a little girl was rescued from the fence by Mission Beach Wildcare, and she's now gone off. I really hope she survives, but obviously she needs proper examination and we need to see what happens. Let's take a moment to really appreciate what wildlife rescue people do in our communities. Most of them are not paid. They put horrendous amounts of time and effort into trying to rehabilitate and rescue our wildlife, particularly critically endangered species like the one that just got rescued off the fence this morning. I never walk my dog there, and I'm so glad I did today because otherwise that bat might have spent all day struggling before succumbing to its injuries. Anyway, so thank a wildlife carer today. Donate if you can, and I'll see you next time.